How to remove connected apps from Google account. If any day you are connected to the various kind of applications on Google account and you would like to remove it but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Google Chrome on your mobile device and then you have to go to the very option of your Google account. So for that, you can directly tap the option of the Google account, and after that you have to tap on your Google account like this. Now after you tap on your Google account like this, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to search the option of the settings on your very Google account, and after you tap on the option of the settings on your very Google account, now you have to go to the option of the other settings there. And after you go to the other settings, otherwise if you find it difficult, you can go to the settings from the three dots on the top side. And after you go to the three dots, which is the very settings there, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the privacy and security. After you tap on the option of the privacy and security, you can see an interface like this. Now in order to just log out from the various kind of applications, what you have to do is you have to set all of the settings as shown in the very picture here or in the very screen like this. You can also go to the option of the site settings and then tap on that, and you can also make it like this. And what you can do is you can just delete all of the history out here, and this way all of the very connected applications will also be deleted. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.